Good morning, boys and girls, and welcome to our assembly this morning, which continues the theme of being caring, which we started to introduce last week. And wasn't it good timing that we were asked to put on a My School with No Bullies week in our first week of thinking about caring? Perfect, came together nicely. Your pastoral team, Miss May in KG, Miss Laura Gordon in Year 1 and 2, Miss Holly in Year 3 and 4, and Miss Patrice in Year 5 and 6, thought of some lovely activities for you to do, and your teachers helped us with those last week. So we had on odd socks, we made friendship salads, we did team building games, all sorts of fun things. And some children decided that they wouldn't change their behaviour for My School with No Bullies week. Unfortunately, a very few children decided they would make their behaviour worse, but I don't want to talk about them. I want to talk about the majority of children who thought carefully about how they treated others, made an effort with the secret mission, and so made some other people happy by improving their behaviour in some way. And particularly the children who have come to me and to other teachers after My School with No Bullies week and said that they had thought about ways that they could actively improve the school, make it a more caring place by watching out for bullies, by helping people who are having a rough time. If you are one of those people who listened, who did the activities last week and enjoyed them, but also thought about the meaning behind them and has thought of some ways that you can improve your behaviour, that's awesome. You are well on your way to becoming a carer. And the world needs carers. The world needs people who are kind to other people. So, as we move to the end of this term and we have a well-deserved week off, which everybody is looking forward to, and we come back after that holiday into the holy month of Ramadan, let's make sure that our behaviour reflects the thought that we've put into being a carer. Let's make sure that we make term 3 of this year the calmest, kindest, most caring term yet. Thanks, boys and girls. Enjoy your holiday and see you soon.